Hey there, everyone. It's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Happy Thursday. Hope you're doing well. Welcome to another card in this little birthday card series I'm doing. Today, I'm going to be doing a stamp two ways. We're actually going to use the exact same stamp, not the set, the stamp, to make two different cards. And one of them is going to be heat embossed, and the other one is just going to be some good old ink. So if you saw my project Use Your Stuff intro video, I shared this pack of paper. So this is, I don't remember now. It's an older Doodlebug collection and was birthday themed. And I had the girl and I had the boy version of this collection. So I had all of my die cuts in the Ziploc bag along with the paper, and I'm just separating them out. I just wanted you guys to see everything that I have, because at the end of the year, and maybe even before the end of the year, I hope to have this entire kit used up. Now, I don't have pictures of these cards because I'm literally filming and posting this on the same day, and I still haven't set up my photo area. As you can see, I have a brace on my left wrist. I think I may have sprained it. I'm hoping it's just a sprain. Something popped. I wasn't even doing anything. I think I moved it the wrong way and it popped. So that's been bothering me. And then our weather has kind of been up and down. Like, it was cold the other day and now we're expecting tornadoes today. And it's just like, my body doesn't do well when the weather changes. So it's been a rough few days, and that's why you haven't seen me in a while. I'm not going to promise videos every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. I'm going to do my best to get them posted Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Do my best, I promise. So here are some of the patterns that I'm working with for this first card. I decided to use this pattern, the stripe pattern, and then I'm going to bring in that orange pattern. So this stamp set is actually from Catherine Poohler. I picked it up off of Scrapbook Pal. This stamp was super sticky. I already rubbed this on my hand like 4 or 5 times, and then I had to go back and rub it some more. So I do that to remove the stickiness, because as you saw, the stamp would lift the paper. Well, that's going to cause you to double stamp. So I had some glitter embossing powder that I made. I'm going to do a video on that soon so you guys can see how I do that. I'm also considering doing a video on the the top 5 things I bought that I think I regret, and top 5 things that I think or that I love that I've purchased. You guys let me know if that's something you'd be interested in. I thought it was interesting because I put up my Better Press and my Glimmer machine up for sale. And I was like, and that's kind of what spurred that kind of thought process, because I didn't really care for either one of them. Not going to lie, I have a toner printer, so I can use toner reactive foil, and it's a little bit easier, but also the price of dyes from some of these companies is ridiculous. Like MFT, love them, but they have a die set to go with one of their newer stamp sets. The die set is $45. $45. There's no reason why a companion die set should be more than $20. And I think $20 is too expensive. And I would rather have it made somewhere else. Maybe that's just me. I would rather have it made, in China or wherever, and have it be affordable. Like Hello Bluebird, theirs are made somewhere else and they're affordable. Like, it's a $15 stamp set and it's a $15 die set. So anyway, I'm not buying extra dies that like the plates for the Better Press are stupid expensive, and the dies for the Glimmer machine are also stupid expensive, and they're just not, I just don't want to make my investment in that. If I'm going to spend that much money, I want it either in stamp sets or I want it in other things that I can use. So I used speaking of dies from MFT, I used the wonky circle dies and the wonky rectangle dies to cut out all of this paper. And then I popped up the orange using some of the Scotch adhesive. The same thing for the circle. I originally put it up higher because I thought I was going to bring in like one of the animals or a present or something. And I actually decided to skip that. So you're going to see me pull this down and kind of put it more in the middle. And I actually really like that much better. And here's a look at it in real time. That embossing powder is so much fun. I promise I'll do a video. It may go up next week, it may go up the week after, but I'm definitely going to share it with you. So I'm using that exact same stamp, and I stamped it before. You can see it off to the left, and I ended up not liking it. So this is a grid paper. As you can see here, it's a rainbow grid, and I'm using a ink pad from Pink Fresh Studio. It's just one of those ink cubes. I had a question from someone asking me if I could recommend an ink company. Here's the 411 on that. Most of the inks are the exact same formula. They're just packaged in different packaging. So like all of the hybrid inks come from one ink place. All of the dye-based inks come from the same ink place. So it really just depends on which company you want to support. And to be honest, that's probably going to go on the list of things that I regret buying. Like I have the entire set of Gina K Designs ink cubes, and I think I've used 3, and I've had them for years. So yeah, anyway. Anywho, so originally I stamped this on, this is like polka dot paper. It's like a tone-on-tone, it's white with like different color polka dots. And I decided that I didn't like it because it was dark. So I stamped it on this, and then I'm going to put this on pink, and then we're going to get the card created. So this paper that I'm going to be using is actually confetti. The pattern is actually confetti, and I'm going to cut it down to 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. I'm just trimming down that sentiment. You guys knew I'm trying to use that paper, and I feel like I'm doing a pretty good job at that. And then I'm going to cut down this remaining stripe to 5 1/8. Nope, 5 3/8 inches long, so it will fit the paper. And I'm going to get those adhered, and then we'll work on the rest of it. So yeah, anyway, that's where my thought process has been. But yeah, so I sold both of those. Thank you very much to the people that bought them. One of them was local. The other one, it went in the mail. I will have a couple more things to sell. I've got some dyes I'm going to be selling, etc. That will be coming soon. What else is coming? Oh, I will have a Fanny Friday on the Stamp Anything channel, and Saturday here, I'm going to be coloring Princess Tiana, and I actually really like how it turned out. Miss Roxy makes an appearance, so make sure you check out that video. If you haven't already, I hope you'll consider subscribing. I will be announcing my 14K giveaway sometime next week. Yeah, I'm excited. So anyway, this is it. You're like, Misty, you didn't add any shimmer. Well, I went to go grab my shimmer pen, and it fell and it rolled behind my desk. So it is gone until I can get Robin here to get it. So anywho, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate you. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know which one you like best. And I will see you Saturday full show for another video. Bye for now. Oh, if you're in Texas, stay safe. Bye for now.